Retirement planning isn't one size fits all. Your goals, your timeline, and your circumstances are unique to you, and the decisions you make today will shape your next chapter. That's where our one-on-one retirement coaching comes in. Whether you're seeking more insight after taking our retirement course, or you're looking to bypass it altogether, we're here to help you make the best choices tailored to your needs. With years of experience and a deep understanding of government benefits, our retirement coaching program provides peace of mind. Together, we'll ensure you're not just making the right decisions financially, but that your retirement aligns with the life you envision. For senior public servants and executives, navigating retirement can feel overwhelming. Financial decisions, pension details, life goals, they all need to align. And sometimes it takes more than just a general course or a financial spreadsheet to get it right. Our expert instructors, one a former government executive and the other a certified financial advisor, understand the unique decisions you're facing beyond just the numbers. We're here to help you navigate everything from pension variables specific to executives to finding the right retirement date that works with your personal and professional goals. Take control of your future today. Reach out for personalized retirement coaching and make sure you're ready for the next chapter of your life.